YouTube, okay? I got a confession, okay? I seen the beginning of this video. I haven't seen the entire video. I seen the beginning, okay? I seen the beginning. Didn't really want to watch the cut. I wanted to react and give my first initial thoughts. But did Beam do a better job than me? We'll find out. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we are back. And you know how we do it. Let's just jump right into it. Oh, that's slick rhyme though. I'm gonna be doing this over the years, just trying to add something different to the content. You know what I mean? So thank you, Gibeam, for doing this. He did. You just added more content to what I'm already doing. For real. Okay.
Jeezy, I'm inspired.
As long as I inspire you, Gibeam, that's all it matters. You know what I mean? If I inspire you, that's all that matters, man. Beam got a nice intro. I like that though.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Beam, and we got a disclaimer. Me and Jeezy do not have a beef. I don't want y'all to think it's a beef. I'm glad that everybody enjoying the back and forth content. We just doing some light sparring for the year 2020. We wanted to kick this year off with some more pop, some more flavor, and give you guys some dope content to watch. We want y'all to be locked in, focused in, and just enjoy the content for what it truly is. And I also want to give a shout out to Jeezy for pushing my level of content creation. I want to give a shout out to myself for giving y'all the best Jeezy.
I want to give a shout out to myself for giving the best Jeezy. That boy, wow. That boy couldn't just, you know what I mean? He said, I want to give a shout out to Jeezy, but I also want to give a shout out to myself.
So if you know me, you know that the
golly
ASS Chevy Trailblazer was one of my favorite
that's a
models
nice
of cars.
track right
Due
there.
to discontinuing the Blazer brand, here today I present to you the fully loaded Chevy RS 2020 Blazer. Let's lock in.
Hey, that car is clean though. He wanted to show this off. He had to show it off. I would have did the same thing. I see you with the is them Yeezys? I see you with the frozen yellows on. Are those the frozen? Okay, all right. I got those.
Did y'all see Jeezy last haircut? Did y'all see Jeezy last haircut? Did y'all see Jeezy last haircut? Did you see Jeezy's last haircut?
What's wrong with my last haircut?
Jeezy, really?
Oh, come on, you flashed that way too quick. That's fire. Flame.
Jeezy don't move like that. I'm pushing that boy pin, and that's what I'm supposed to do. I'm bringing the greatest out of him with the punches he throwing, and he bringing the best.
I've been doing this.
Content that we creating. We just appreciate all of you guys that's tuned in. We just sparring for y'all, and I hope that y'all able to, you know, lock in with that.
Hold on, wait a minute. I've been doing this.
Wait. Random thought. Ragged Up Reese said he don't know if I really wanted to. What do you know who I? Roll a clip.
I don't even really think he meant that. He don't even really want no challenge or anything remotely close to it. For real. Not when it comes to weight, it can't be for real.
I'm trying to tell him he do though. He do.
I think he mentioned it back in the day, but back when I met him at EWT.
Whoa. EWT? Something like that. That's what you said? EWP. Education with
I had a brain fart.
You were there last year. Literally the biggest
had a brain
educational
fart.
event in the barber industry throughout the year. March 29th through the 30th, 2020. Dre and Bossio, tell that boy get his mind right.
Okay.
Did he ever fly a waiver out for a haircut?
You know how you be having them brain farts. People always want to take my words and every little detail. You know, if I get something wrong, they want to immediately call me out. Matt Gifted Hands.
I just feel like I'll go up another level and match Jeezy energy. So I know you looking in this camera. I know you see me. If you dip in with the waves, I only got one restriction to get flew out. You just got
I should tell them to fly me out.
Pictures of your wave and DM me pictures of the
I'm about to
beard.
DM him right now.
The waiver is, and they'll get flew out instantly. But before we get into flying an individual out, I would love to display why my city is so much more different. They don't call Chicago the Windy City for no reason. I need them windmills, them 720s, 540s, 360s, whatever you got. Let's show Jeezy how Chicago cut way different than Cali. If you in my city, stand up. I need all the kings. I need all the demons, all the savages. All
you can't
the gods
listen.
of what we call this wave game thing. And I need y'all to DM me and pull up. Let's shape shift. Let's show them that Chicago been bred different. So without further ado, let's hop into this banger. It's not tutorial style, but you guys will be able to see the haircut through and through. I wouldn't be me if I left out the gas in this video. Let's focus up. Let's lock in.
Listen, I want to give it. I want to say this though.
What you want to do?
I want to do my pull in the wave game. If anybody needs a cut, DM Gibeam. Now I know Gibeam don't got the pull like I get the pull. You know what I mean? I mean most waivers want to get flown out to get cut by 360. But I co-sign what Gibeam said. But I just don't know if he got the pull in the wave game like that. I don't know. But Beam is a monster, man. I ain't gonna sit up here and just keep acting like he ain't got it, man. He got it with the waves. He dope with the waves. But like I always say, a waiver know what a waiver want. A waiver know how a waiver hair need to be cut. A waiver know his way around a crown. A waiver know how to put it down when it come to that crown. And they don't call me 360 Jeezy for no reason. A lot of people got their crown game up because I got my crown up. You know what I mean? A lot of people was looking at the way I do my crown, even though I got it from Young Wavy. You know what I mean? I inspired a lot of people to step up their crown game. Shout out to Young Wavy. Go. Let go. Taper game nice. I ain't even going. I already know his taper game is nice. I already know what you could do with the taper. He trying to keep it below that last wave. I see you. I see you. He trying to keep it below that last wave, and I see it. I respect it. I respect it. He trying to play in that field right now. Okay? When you play in that field, sometimes you get potholes in that field, depending on what type of field you playing in. And if you ain't got the stamina and the jukes and the way around that pothole, if you don't know how to turn, you could end up gouging yourself. You could end up spraining your leg. You could end up gouging the waiver out, man. I'm just saying, that's the same thing. Let it go. Working on that side taper. Getting that bald line out. That middle line out. Finessing it with the corners. Beam been watching my videos, man. I swear. He been watching my techniques. He been watching my techniques. I ain't even gonna act like he ain't been watching my techniques. He been watching my techniques. Cause some of the stuff that he be doing, you can only get it from 360. You know what I mean? You can only know them certain things by watching my videos. If that boy listen, I ain't watched this video, but if that boy bring that front line down with a 1, or with anything, if he touch that front line he got that technique from me. Believe that. I know it's some of you fans out there that's Gibeam fans. Y'all don't want to believe it. But believe that. Let go. I like his tapers though, man. His taper is nice, man. He keeping it low. That's exactly what a waver want. Exactly what a waver want. I can't say that he ain't nice with it. I can't say it. Spraying that spritz on the front line and in the back. I don't want to say he got that from me, but I'm just saying though. I'm just saying that freehand, okay, with the freehand trim. I ain't saying that he got that from me, but I'm just saying though, that freehand trim is important. Let go. I'm about to freestyle on this track. I'm about to make something up right quick. Bing! You don't want it with me. Oh no, you don't want it with me. Don't want it with me. You nice with the cuts, but I don't give a. You nice with the cuts, but I don't give a. The curvature on that line is pretty dope, but it ain't better than mine. I just do it all the time. I'm a waver and I know you can't mess with 360. You can't mess with me on the low. Can't mess with me, no. Can't mess with me, can't mess with me on the low. Can't mess with me, no. But I'ma give you your props because that curvature on that line is pretty dope. And I know that you're wishing, hoping that I fall. But I'm telling all of y'all can't mess with me. 360 GC. I'm snapping onto this beat. I'm snapping in and I'm snapping onto this beat. You cannot mess with me. When I'm snapping in and I'm snapping onto this beat. Spraying in them enhancements. Spraying on the enhancements. Get your focus right. I'm messing up my sight. You're messing up my sight. You're messing it. Get your focus right. Get your focus right. You mess up my sight. This beat is hard though. Y'all see how I'm sitting here freestyling a song on this track. This is clean though. This is clean though. I'm about to fly another waver out, and do a low taper. I'm gonna show him how it's done. I'ma show him how it's done. See, one thing that Gibeam, one thing that I got on him though, that I know just for a fact that he don't know, is that crown. Laying that crown down, going in the direction of the pattern when it comes to that crown. I just don't think that he knows like how we want it yet. You know what I mean? Everything else though, it's on point. This cut is on point. But I definitely want to pay attention to that crown though. I need to see if he's doing justice on that crown work. But everything else, man, this ain't nothing new to Gibeam, man. This ain't a challenge. This is just straight up, I do this. You could tell. But again, I'm telling y'all, Gibeam is dope, but ain't mess with the one and only hope. Y'all think that it's real, y'all think that we're playing, but I'm telling y'all, we ain't really even playing when it comes to the cuts. We don't really give a I'm telling you what's up. You can't mess with me, cause I'm 360G. See, that's what I'm talking about. I looked at that crown work. That crown, I don't know. Spin it all around. Let me see that crown.
Okay.
I see some weight on that crown. I see some weight. I sweat on the crown. I see the weight, and weight is on the crown. You can't mess with me. The weight on the crown. Cut is fire. Everything is on point, straight. Everything is just crispy.
Definitely worth a 3-hour drive.
The crown work needs a little bit of work. But I ain't holding against him. I just think he needs some work on the crown, and the blend is pretty good. It's going down. You can't mess with me, cause I'm 360G. I'm gonna have everybody singing this song. You can't mess with me, no, cause I'm 360G.
YouTube, what's going on? I just want to take the time to chop it up with you guys. All of my supporters that's just been through, you know, all of my years of progression, me leveling up with not only my hands, but my education, with my stage presence, physically being behind the booth at a lot of these places. I just want to take my hat off, and I just want to say thank you to all of my subs and my supporters. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not be the Beam that I am today. I will not be able to drive my dream vehicle or go get the vehicle or the things that I want at that specific time without you guys' support. It's because of you guys that I'm able to consistently level up, which brings in mind the term shape-shifting. Shape-shifting is leveling up. I explained to y'all through multiple haircuts, when I'm shape-shifting, I'm unlocking another level in the haircut. Shape-shifting is not only applied to haircuts, but it's applied to a lifestyle. We leveling up, we bossing up, and we ain't taking no for no answer. So y'all know what time it is. It's hashtag TBT. It's 2020. It's year of shapeshifters. We locked in. We focused. We not stopping. Let's run that bag up and let's get this money.
Hey. Hats off to Gibeam, man. Hats off to Gibeam. I can't even hate on him. I'm not gonna hate on him. And yeah, you guys be the judge. Or this not even like a battle or anything. I'm just saying, I just wanted to show Gibeam some love. Link will be in the description. Make sure y'all follow Gibeam. We do have this event that's coming up in Sacramento on the 23rd. If you guys would go follow Sacramento Barbers Club. The link to that will be in the description below. It's gonna be me, Gibeam, and Chris Basio, big YouTube stars, all in one event, all in one area. So make sure you guys check that out. Man, it's gonna be dope. Me and Gibeam definitely gotta do something on stage too. I definitely want to do something with Gibeam. So Gibeam, we need to do something on stage, man. We need to keep this thing going. All right, you guys. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Like I said, again, man, go follow Gibeam. Link will be in the description. I'm out. Peace.